this whisper and stay free.
The Bhoi District Sports Association (RBDSA), in collaboration with the Deputy Commissioner and District Sports Office of Bhoi District, today honoured the winners of the state-level Subroto Cup football tournament at Umsning Auditorium Hall. The event was attended by Sports Minister Shakliar Wajri, local MLA Miral Bonds Aim, among others. Minkan Christian High Secondary School triumphed in the Under-17 boys category. Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School excelled in the Under-15 category, and Christian High Secondary School led in the Under-17 women's category. These teams will represent Meghalaya in the international level.
Diberi pek kami sedang yang kedua IDSO nakalian berjumpa sedang hak. Andre ke itu mengakular itu kalau banginum kino itu. Habab pilih stay nak kita bermanra atau burung ia kesir ke cumi. Bermanra atau burung nak kita celah ke cumi. Bermanra atau burung nak kita kesir ke cumi. Bermanra atau burung nak kita kisnam cumi ke yang kesem.
In Paris Olympics.